Hello everyone, myself Khushbu Verma, Technical Solution Specialist for Structures at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. I would like to welcome you all to today's Tech Insight on customization of standard database. Before going into the session, allow me to introduce our organization, Capricorn Technologies. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the largest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country's adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solutions, approaches, and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. We are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with the best of our abilities. Capricorn Technologies is now a part of Arcane's group. In this insight, I'll discuss about customization of standard database. For steel structures, it is often required to use a custom section, which is not available in database. So I'll show you how you can add a custom section in your database. Just give me a moment to switch to the software part. So this is the graphical user interface of STAAD.Pro Connect Edition. If you go into the specification tab, you will see there is an user table option. You can add any custom section in STAAD from user table option. But you know how easy and helpful to add the same section in database? I'll show you how. So I'll discuss how to add a new section or edit existing section properties in the standard database of STAAD. Also, I'll show you the process to create or add a brand new section catalog in STAAD. So before going into the details, just a background. In STAAD, a standard section library provided with the common sections which are manufactured and available in the market. I'll show you here. You can see a legacy option. When you will click here, you can see different types of sections are available here. Hot rolled steel sections and cold formed steel section, and different other sections like standard section for timber and aluminium. Here you can see this is cold formed steel section and this is hot rolled steel section. Now these sections along with the property values are included in a database that is known as a standard section database. If you look at the table, you can notice that the sections are categorized as per the country. Here you can see the sections are categorized as per the country. And also as per the shape of the section. For example, if I go to the Indian code, you can see different shapes are available here. Suppose if I click on the I shape and click on the view table, you can see the different eye sections are available. Different size of the eye sections are available here. Also, if I'll show you this configure option, if you will click here on the configure option, you can see different options like design codes and standard profile. In the standard profile option, you can see the default database here selected, and different other databases are also available here like Indian database, etc. So you can also set your default database from this configure option. Also, if you will go to this legacy profile, you can see different database available here. Also, you can set a default country from this legacy profile also. As you can see, there are two. If I'll take you to the Indian database, you can see. Let me take you to this Indian database. You can see there are, from here you can see there are two different database version available for India. Like you can see Indian legacy sections and Indian sections. Indian legacy sections refers to IS 808 1964, and Indian sections here, Indian sections, these are refers to IS 808 1989. You can see different version of database for different countries available here in legacy profile. By default, uh, latest database is selected for all countries. Suppose if you see the American, you can see this is the latest databases of American code or American database. Similarly, if you go for Australian profile, you can see different databases available or different version of databases available for Australian also. And similarly for British version, you can see this is the British sections or the British database available for British country, and similarly for other codes or other countries. Select the version carefully as per your project requirement before generating the model. Also, if you assign any section from new database and try to open that model in another computer where older database is selected, you might find a warning that the section is not available. So always cross-check the database version used in your client machine when you receive a model for review. Now I'll show you how you can add a custom section in your existing database. For that purpose, you will go to this specification option. And in this specification tab, you will see this section database option. You will click here. So this section database manager window will open. Here you can see two options, standard and legacy option. And here you can see the configure option, which you have seen on the welcome window. Like if you will click here, you can see the standard profile. Similarly, as I have shown you on the welcome window, and you can see also the legacy profile. So you can select your default country from here also in this configure option. Similarly, if I'll show you how you can add your custom database, suppose if I'll click here on the legacy option, you can see different country are available, and the database for different countries are available here. Similarly, for standard section, you can see different database is available for different countries. Suppose if I'll go here, and if I'll show you for India. If I click here on the India code, you can see there are two options, rolled steel and cold form steel. And suppose if I show you in standard section also, if you click here on the India, you can see different shapes of databases available. Suppose if I'll click on this IS beam, you can see different database or different sections available here in this IS beam section. So if you suppose if you want to add custom data here or a customized section here, I'll show you how you can add or how you can add it your existing database. Just if you want to add your new custom section, you can what you can do first, unlock this option, click here to unlock, and then you can add rows below. Suppose click here on the append row. When you will click here, you can see you can add the row on this table. And suppose if you want to add a customized section, you can simply copy this database and paste here. You can see I have pasted it, this database. After pasting, you can customize it. Suppose you can give the number 56 and you can edit the name as custom. You can select the dimensions and properties for that for this custom section. So this is how you can easily add your custom section in your existing database. Now I'll show you how you can add it your existing database. Suppose if I'll take you to suppose I take you to the American code or USA code. Suppose if you want to add or edit any existing section, suppose click here on the road steel section and click here on the AISC. Suppose I'll go to this M shape option. You can see here. If you want to edit some data here, you can easily add it. Suppose if you want to add this, edit this. Or suppose if I'll show you any other section, suppose angle section. And if you want to add it, first you will click here on this unlock table option. After unlocking, you can add it any section here. Suppose if you want to give different value here, 2.2, then this is how you can easily add it your existing database in the STAAD.Pro Connect Edition. So this is all for today's insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you.